Flavors of the Dragon Boat Festival, steamed sea crab with banhxeo. The Dragon Boat Festival, a traditional Vietnamese holiday, is an occasion for the whole family to gather and enjoy typical dishes with a strong taste of the homeland. In the warm atmosphere of this holiday, the dish, steamed sea crab with banhxeo, becomes a special highlight, harmoniously combining the flavor of the ocean and the sophistication of rustic cuisine. This dish brings richness and diversity to the holiday party. The combination of soft steamed sea crab meat and crispy banhxeo with green bean filling, lean meat and silver shrimp creates a unique and attractive culinary experience. This dish is not only delicious but also imbued with the spirit of the Dragon Boat Festival, reminiscent of traditional cultural values and family ties. Let's go to the kitchen with us.
Prepare ingredients: 900 grams of about 3 sea crabs. Wash and drain. The filling includes 100 grams of washed and steamed green beans, 200 grams lean meat, chopped, and 200 grams silver shrimp, washed and steamed, can be stir-fried quickly, seasoned with a little fish sauce, a little sugar, pepper if you want the meat and shrimp to be flavorful. 150 grams bean sprouts, 1 cassava, 1 carrot, washed and sliced, steamed and mixed well. 300 grams vegetables including green watercress, water mimosa, fish mint, herbs, 2 cucumbers, washed, peeled and thinly sliced. Green onions, cut into pieces. Olive oil, fish sauce, pink salt, brown sugar and other spices according to family taste.
Steamed sea crab. Place the sea crab in a steamer and steam for about 15 to 20 minutes, keeping the fresh and sweet taste of the ocean. Prepare banhxeo. Mix 300 grams of rice flour, 100 grams of crispy fried flour, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, chopped green onions and 600 milliliters of filtered water. Fry the banhxeo until golden brown, then add the green bean filling, vegetable filling, lean meat and silver shrimp in the middle for about 2 minutes. Fold the banhxeo in half and place on a plate. Make the dipping sauce, add a little garlic, minced chili, a little fish sauce, sugar, lemon juice, filtered water, and a little shredded carrot to the bowl. Stir the mixture until the sugar dissolves and it's done. You can season it to taste or add chili to suit your family's taste.
Enjoy. Place steamed crab on a plate, serve with crispy banhxeo and raw vegetables to eat with banhxeo. Enjoy with sweet and sour fish sauce or chili sauce to enhance the flavor. Fresh and delicious sea crab, steamed to perfection, retains the sweet and fresh taste of the ocean. Soft, fatty, attractive crab meat will be the perfect dish to stir up the festive atmosphere. Crispy, golden banhxeo with rich green bean filling, rich meat and sweet shrimp. Each banhxeo is a work of art, encapsulating the diversity and richness of Vietnamese cuisine. Steamed crab with banhxeo is not only a delicious dish but also a symbol of reunion and happiness on the occasion of the doanngo festival. The delicate combination of the flavor of the ocean and the characteristics of Vietnamese cuisine brings a memorable and profound culinary experience. Enjoy this dish with your family and fully enjoy the joy of the traditional holiday. Share this recipe with your friends and see you again at meaningful gatherings.